Hi, I'm Candy, and I'm here to share with you this new big haul I got from Slashop. It is supposed to be pet hair resistant, so we're going to see today if it's worth the hype or not. So stay with me, and we're going to check it out. Here we go, the fun part. I have been an animal behaviorist for over 20 years, so you can imagine what my house looks like. It's always full of animals, and my clients are always asking me, what do I do? Of course, we love our fur babies, and we always want to keep them on our furniture, especially our couches. So we all have the same problem, pet hair, especially if you have cats, right? Oh, this is so beautiful. Let me get it open here. It's better than the picture, actually. Oh, here we go. Oh, wow. I love the colors already. Look at that. And we're going to try out the couch cover, and because I know you all sleep with your babies, because I do. The pet. It's also great to cover up pet stains. It's machine washable, which is excellent because you got to get those little stains out of there after you cover this. It's a great makeover for your old couch too, because I am tired of looking at this beige. Nice little thank you card. Thank you. And, ooh, it's so soft and cozy. Look at this. Wow. Oh, I love the fringe. Wow. And reversible. Look at this. I don't know which side I like better. I think I'll go with this side for today. Check it out. It goes on so easy. I can't wait to see what this does with the hair. And we'll try the sheets in just a minute. So pretty. Look at that. I love it. It's great if you have kids too, because you know they're always spilling, and you don't have to worry about it. And most importantly, I got the large size, which covers large size couch. I know you always have to put your throw on, and then you have to find something else to cover the edges with, you know, your home decorator right here. My little kitty. And it's so embarrassing, so now you don't have to worry about it anymore. Look at that. This is fantastic. I love it. Just absolutely love it. It's terrific, and it's so soft. I love the way it feels. Beautiful. Well, I already give it an A+ just on texture and aesthetics. Now let's try it out with the real deal, my cat. So meet my #1 furry culprit, Dustin. I know if you're like me, you like to spend hours brushing your animal and trying to eliminate all that extra fur, but you know, if they're living with you and they're on your furniture all the time, well, that doesn't work, does it? Yeah, you want to try out the new cover? What do you think? It's nice and soft, doesn't it, Dustin? Oh, this feels so good. Okay, that's it. Well, we've got enough hair to try it. Let's see if the hype is real. Here we go. Well, wait, I can't even get it to, I can't even get it to stay for a second here on the material. You're supposed to be able to just brush it off. Let's see. Yep, just like brand new. So I'm gonna say this is 100% worth the hype. Go out and get yourself a cover today. Don't wait. And again, look, I'm just so thrilled. I put my little pillows on it. I'm already decorating. And most importantly, I love that it covers the sides nice and completely. It's full size. You don't have to throw a bunch of throws together. When you sit down, they get all crunched up and you know, in the crevices. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. And again, it's reversible, washable, and great if you have children too. Now, let's go try out the bed sheets. Well, the couch cover turned out to be A+, and so now we're going to try out these awesome sheets. Again, it's supposed to be fur resistant and made from bamboo, which is very cool. Also, if you are a hot sleeper, it will keep you nice and your body temperature at a good pace because the bamboo is all natural. Another thank you card. Oh, very sweet. Okay, I love testing out their products. Okay, thank you, Slashop. Let's see. So far, so good. Everything feels nice and soft. I don't know about you, but I love beautiful, soft, silky, wow, sheets. It almost feels like satin. Wow, amazing. I sleep on bamboo pillows, which I love because it keeps me cool. And I'm excited to try these sheets. So let's see how they look and how they feel. All right. Let's see. There's nothing worse than sleeping with your pet and waking up with a mouthful of hair. I know. All right, let's give it a try. And it's shiny and silky. My goodness. I love it. Wow. Okay. Thank goodness my cat's nice and hairy. And obviously a little dirty. This is great, especially if you have an indoor-outdoor cat that sleeps with you sometimes. All right, ready? Here we go. Oh boy. All right. Wow. Look at that. No stick. It's like magic. It's amazing how terrific. All I can say is I give this product another 5 stars, 100%. It's amazing. I don't know how they do it. Did you see that hair just rolled right off? I hate waking up with fur on my eyes and on my lips, but I love sleeping with my fur babies. And also, if you're worried about your hair, I know some of us sleep with the satin pillowcases. Well, you don't have to buy them anymore. This is silky smooth, and you'll wake up with your beautiful hairdo the next morning. I guarantee that. But this product is incredible. Dustin definitely approves of our brand new beautiful bamboo sheets. So remember, when you go to order online, use my name, Candy Cooper, for your discount code, CANDICOOPER. And I just want to thank you for spending this time with me while we reviewed all these amazing products, and we'll see you next time. Be well and take care. Bye-bye.